My goal is to, and my dream is to do stand-up comedy, which I already do. And I've seen myself go from like a sperm and an egg to like a fetus this year.
Okay.
I went from like not being in any clubs at all to being at the best club in LA on Friday nights every couple of months at 7 p.m. and killing every time. Now,
Woohoo! Celebrating!
yeah, yeah, thank
Yay!
you. Thank you. It was remarkable progression in quite a very quick amount of time. And every time I'm on stage, I feel like the vortex. I mean, I just feel incredible amount of energy. I've done a lot of teaching, a lot of acting. I've spent a lot of time on stage. So it's not a surprise to me that some of that occurs, but it's stunning. And my friends are like, holy shit, like, whoa. And I just don't believe that I can make this my primary career quickly. I believe it can happen. I don't believe I have resistance to it happening like on some entitlement, belonging, deserving level.
Yep.
But I sit there and think I have to understand the mechanics of how it's going to go from A to X, and I can't fill in those dots. So I go, it can't, I need another job. I need to write somebody's book. I need to da, 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 da. Meanwhile, a book, which I'm a ghostwriter, like books aren't coming.
Yeah.
So it's like, I want to pour my energy into this other thing with like faith that miracles can happen. And I need your support in that.
Okay. So what's the X that you want to get it to?
I mean, I literally want to do stadium shows.
Mm-hmm.
I want a big following. And ultimately, I'd love to be on a sitcom or something as not the principal spearhead, but like a beloved, think like Jane Lynch in Glee. If you ever watched Glee, there was this character. Like, I just want to be a great character on a great show for a number of years.
Okay. And it can't happen, or it can't happen quickly because you can't see the step-by-step strategic plan from here to there.
Correct. And also within this profession, it's like there is no absolute plan. So it's like you could make up 12 different chess moves in 12 different directions.
Okay. So,
but I do live in Los Angeles, and it's possible that you could be doing a gig and someone could be in the audience that's a major mover who's like, I want her.
Yeah, exactly. And you can feel that possibility. You can feel that that's a possibility.
Absolutely.
Okay. All right. So my answer to coaching you around this whole thing is this 5-week program.
Okay.
So I'm not gonna give you a short trite answer now. If you do this program and go through the processes step by step, by the end of these 5 weeks, you'll have the tools to keeping able to lean into faith and that trust and that ease. And whenever that feeling of, I need to have the plan, I need to know the next steps, I need to be able to see exactly the path outlined, crops up for you, you'll have the tools to be able to go, I'm letting go of that, and I'm just focusing on the vision, and wow, look at all of these serendipities, opportunities, amazing things that are happening.
Great.
So yeah, that's what this you are in the right place in the right time. And I know that so many people get tripped up. They come up with the big dream and goal, and because they can't see the plan, because they can't see the how, they then look for plan Bs. So that's what your book writing is. Like, okay, well, what's the plan B? Because I don't know how the plan A actually plays out. Dreams and goals never play out from here to there. They always play out in hindsight. So dreams and goals, you will only ever be able to see how perfectly positioned everything was and happened when you look back.
In hindsight.
It's
almost like you back your way into them.
Exactly. Yeah. So you'll have the vision, and that's what makes dreams and goals so scary and why most people don't pursue them, because you cannot see from here to there. You will never be able to see from here to there. You will only be able
that's
to
really
see
helpful.
when you hit the dream and goal and you're standing in that stadium or you're on that sitcom show. And I've got goosebumps. Wow, I've never explained it like this before, but it's really hitting home for me. When you are standing there and then looking back, you'll go, oh my gosh, how perfect.
Wow. Great. I love it. That's such a good answer, because I keep thinking I should be able to see in front of me. And I'm really good at the feelings, and I'm really good at the doing the do. But if I don't have to see the in front of me, thank you. That's very helpful.
You'll see it in hindsight and trust that. And perfect. Yay. Thank you for letting me explain it like that. Wow.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Jessica. Great question. Ting, ting.